of part 1, the video just stopped. You wouldn't want to be paranoid. Anyway, so I just stopped by saying we need to take chelators, metal chelators, and so chlorella, spirulina, selenium, and zinc. Great chelators. They just take that caked substance from around your pineal gland, and then we need to make sure that we have a good functioning process of elimination. And as we know, some of the symptoms of a calcified pineal gland are a blockage in these elimination systems. So we have to do this by a process of eliminating the elimination system. So the first thing I'm going to show you are some neurolymphatic rubs to get your liver working properly, to get rid of any toxins, because when you start chelating, those toxins have to go somewhere, so they need a clear exit. So we need to make sure we chelate, getting rid of the problem, but we also need to make sure the problem leaves the body, or else those toxins just recirculate and recalcify your pineal gland, plus release a load of toxins in your body. So it's really important that when you're detoxifying, you also have a clear elimination path. Otherwise, the problem is multiplied. So the first thing is large intestine. How to get your large intestine working properly. It's a one-way system. So the points for this, you're gonna do this as a matter of fact every single day the minute you start with your chelating process. So if you start on zinc, selenium, chlorella, spirulina, then you want to make sure that those toxins have an exit out of your body. So the first thing you're going to do is here. Let's get up here. So for the large intestine neurolymphatic points, you're going to go from the knee up to the hip, along the trouser seam, rubbing upwards 30 or 40 seconds, 3 or 4 times a day. This activates the large intestine and it makes it work properly. That's the first one. You're going to do that on both sides. Now, you don't have to be standing up. You can do it sitting on the toilet, lying in bed, sitting in a chair, watching TV. It doesn't matter. You're going to knee to hip, rub upwards along the trouser seam, upwards only. This will give you a nice direct route for toxins to flow out of your body. Next one is kidneys. Kidneys are a massive part in the elimination system in the human body. So belly button, 1 inch out, 1 inch up on both sides. You're going to rub those points. You're going to do that for 30 or 40 seconds, 3 or 4 times a day. And lastly, the liver. So liver is 5-6 ribs on the right side. So you're going to go splayed fingers in between the ribs. For women, it's along the underwire of the bra is the guideline for that. So right side, liver. You can do it as like large intestine, liver, kidneys. 1 inch out, 1 inch up for kidneys. 5-6 ribs underneath on the right side for liver, and rub upwards from knee to hip, large intestine. You do these 3 things, you have elimination system sorted. Activated charcoal is good to take last thing at night because that strips, and it's like a big sponge. It sponges all the toxins out of your system. So if you take it before you go to bed, you wake up in the morning, you have a nice big movement, get all the toxins out from your chelating that you're doing. Okay, so some of the things that activate the pineal gland are meditation. Listening to nice meditation music at night is really good. Things that block it are too much blue light, so you want to have a good sleep pattern to have a good functioning pineal gland, because your pineal gland, it moderates the circadian time system, but also the seasonal time system. So don't you think that's weird? Like, how does your pineal gland know whether it's summertime or wintertime? Because it's connected to something bigger than yourself. It's connected to that universal knowing. So when you don't get proper sleep, what happens? You're all over the place, groggy.